Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. So today I'm going to show you how to have a beautiful clean glass door on your wood stove or your wood heater like this with only 2 ingredients. And everybody that has a wood stove has it on hand: water and ashes. I kind of have the door open where it's a little cool. I've still got my fire going, and all we've got to have tap water. That's it. And the ashes from the fire. It'll clean it like crazy. You will not believe the difference. I dipped a paper towel, just a tip of it, into the water. Then I dip it in some of the ashes at the front of the stove so I don't get hot. And I just start cleaning. Now this door is hot. Very, very hot. So it's going to take me a few minutes, and it hasn't been cleaned in a while. Just that one, you see a difference. A little bit of time, but you see that? It's starting to come clean. And when you get an area like that, you can just use water. And look. You see that? Just a little water, and it's bringing it off. Yeah. That's how fast you can clean this door. Isn't that amazing? Now I'm going to go ahead and continue on and see if I can get the rest around the rim. But you saw water and ashes cleans it like crazy. So do you see how fast and easy that was? It's clear and awesome. Let's go look at the fire now. Do you see what a difference a clean door makes? Isn't that awesome? Just water and ashes and a few paper towels to clean. Very easy, simple. Anybody can do it. If you've got a wood stove and you have water, you can clean your glass door like this. Takes less than 5 minutes. and you're done. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip from Crazy Days. So we're going to be using our On Guard cleaner to clean this black around here and to kind of take care of it. I don't like to put a lot of heavy chemicals, and I don't want a lot of water. So mainly I do what I call a good dusting. I just cleaned the door, so I want the rest of this to be clean. And On Guard takes germs, plus the warmth from this these ceramic tiles, the On Guard will get in it, and as it heats, it will put the On Guard into our house. It will give us the same benefits as a diffuser by these ceramic tiles getting warm and putting On Guard into my house. So that's another way to use the On Guard to clean and add another diffuser in the same process. It's a win-win, guys. So what do you think, guys? It's looking nice. I'm going to do the other side, and we're going to continue cleaning with On Guard. Remember, ceramic tiles with a touch of On Guard around your wood heater should act like a diffuser. Hope you enjoyed the easy way to clean your wood heater door. And on the surface here, On Guard cleaner. It looks great, plus heating these ceramic tiles with the wood stove with the On Guard on it gives you that diffuser type sense of clean and kills germs. Great combo. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.